Industry 4.0, or the fourth industrial revolution, is the name given to the current trend of automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies. Before an organization can even think of Industry 4.0, it is required to be what PwC calls a digital champion, which requires having gone some way down the digital path already. For the most part though, studies like the one from PwC and various other researchers show that a lot of companies seem to be plodding down an unpaved road, if they're on the digital journey at all. Research shows that 2/3 of organizations have yet to create a clear digital vision and baseline strategy to support their digital transformation. In most countries, digital transformation is conservative and intermittent, which indicates a fear of the process or a lack of understanding of how valuable it will be in the midterm to long run. If you haven't started on your digital journey or have spurts of innovation and then fear, we suggest that you seek out a partnership with experts who can help pave the road for you. To paraphrase an old African saying, the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is today. We suggest that if you haven't started on your digital transformation journey, that you start today.